हेलो एवरीवन, मैं हूँ श्वेता।
मेरा नाम है इंद्र और आप सबका स्वागत है हमारे
चैनल में।
अभी हम वीडियो देखने वाले हैं पाकिस्तान प्रूव्ड मी रॉन्ग। तो आइए देखते हैं। व्हाट इफ यू सॉ पाकिस्तान डिफरेंटली। हाँ वो तो है, हमें भी देखना है डिफरेंटली।
Why Pakistan? Are you crazy?
Why would you go there? That's not a safe place.
It's dangerous.
You really think it's worth
वो
it?
तो है।
It's not a good idea.
इंडिया में कोई
Higher the noise I came to. I'm sorry for my
They told me not to come. But here I am, welcomed with smiles and wrapped in stories. I came for the truth,
nice outfit, huh?
but what I found was something deeper, something softer, a place misunderstood.
बहुत अच्छी है।
Let me show you Pakistan through my eyes.
एक्चुअली बहुत मस्त है। बहुत अच्छी मस्जिद है मेरे ख्याल। मस्जिद है मेरे ख्याल।
Welcome to Pakistan, a very special destination where we're going to spend the next 12 days, starting in the capital, which is Islamabad, and going to the north tomorrow. I would say, let's start the journey.
Nice.
We're having breakfast right now, and we have traditional food, which is naan and chai tea.
Now,
Chai
the
or
real adventure begins.
कभी खाया
Flying to
नान तो
Skardu,
सब्जियों के साथ
hidden in the mountains of northern Pakistan, passing the ninth highest mountain in the world from above. And somewhere between the clouds and the peaks, you already feel the pull of Skardu, a place where life moves slower, the mountains feel impossibly close, and you feel completely present.
वाह।
I'm eating dry.
Apricot, apricots.
Apricot.
It's good.
Yes, it's
Mostly these 4 trees are apricot trees. Mostly.
Most trees there.
Yeah, the mostly all the trees are apricot trees.
Wow.
Now it's not apricot season.
chai. Think
I'm gonna try Balti tea for the very first time. It's not
Balti tea.
traditional. They drink this here every day, right?
Yeah, every day. Mostly I drink around 10 cups.
You know, it's super salty, like.
Maximum 10. 10 is compulsory for me.
How many do you drink in a day?
Most 2-3 cups.
What? That's a big difference.
Yeah, the tea is totally different from this. The Pakistani tea,
It's
tea is
chai
different.
tea.
Yeah, chai tea is different. This is like the green tea, but we will cook for around 3 and 4 hours for this. We add little bit salt, also put milk and butter.
So that's the traditional Skardu drink.
Green multi tea. Cheers.
Right now, we're on our way to a very special place. We're climbing up for 3 hours or even 4 hours, and the place is called Mazu Rock.
We are in base camp. See, there is the York. York is known as the king of mountain.
King of Mountain.
Yeah.
King of mountain.
मस्त जगह है, बहुत मस्त जगह है।
ये सब तो देखा नहीं है आपने यार।
इसके तो जुड़ना भी है।
हाँ हाँ हाँ।
Arsul Rock।
वाव।
बहुत जबरदस्त ऊँचाई।
हाइट देख हाइट।
Leaving Skardu behind, we start our journey toward Khaplu. The road stretches deeper into the mountains, quiet and endless. And on our way there was this amazing location of chocolate-colored rocks where we had to make a stop.
वाव। लाइक और आउट एकदम। Whoa!
बहुत मस्त।
As we continue toward Khaplu, the landscape begins to change. Bigger, more dramatic, almost unreal. A place of views I've never seen like this before. And everything feels so quiet, untouched. It's the kind of place that leaves you speechless.
Wow! Wow!
ये
Wow!
जाना है बहुत उसका।
भाई क्या जगह है?
ये breathtaking view है।
Actually,
As you can tell, we're heading toward our next destination, Hunza Valley. A 6-hour drive from Skardu through some of the most dramatic roads I've ever taken, deeper into the heart of the Karakoram.
और जाके देखने का क्या मजा आएगा, चढ़ता ऊपर एक देखा?
Everything around us feels bigger than we are, and the world somehow feels smaller.
We are about to cross a really crazy suspension bridge. So usually we wanted to visit the Husseini suspension bridge, which is very famous, but we arrived there and there were like super many tourists. So our guide actually showed us a different bridge and we are totally alone here. It's called the Passu suspension bridge and it's just crazy. Let's go.
Hunza Valley। Wow! क्या मजा आएगा रे?
अरे
आया मैं तो जाऊंगा भाई।
obviously Hunza village is a town. क्या मजा आएगा यार?
Danke, शुक्रिया।
Oh my god! Oh damn! बहुत ऊपर आ गए लोग।
After 1.5 hours we made it to Baskochi top. It is
pretty steep but manageable. Definitely much better than the Mazur rock that was like very, very high. So this one, if you can do Mazur rock, this one is going to be an easy one. And you're going to have such a beautiful view. And it lies in the upper Hunza area.
क्या मस्त है यार। क्या बात है
हाँ
यार।
यार मैं तो एकदम मेस्मराइज हो गया, ट्रस्ट मी।
एक्चुअली मैं खुद शॉक्ड हो गई। लाइक
ये साइड ऑफ पाकिस्तान तो कभी नहीं देखा
कभी नहीं देखा हमने पाकिस्तान
बहुत
देखा है लाइक
बहुत कड़क जगह है यार ये यार। रे मैं तो फर्स्ट में उसने 12th देखा ना,
12th
तो और वीडियोस भी होंगे यार बंदी के।
देखने पड़ेंगे यार।
स्टंड यार, स्टंड, ट्रस्ट मी। क्या जगह था, क्या एक से एक लोकेशन।
लाइक आई वाज मतलब इतने बड़े बड़े रॉक्स देख रहे हो, पत्थर है कितने बड़े बड़े एंड ऑल। मजा आ गया देखकर।
और पिंक कलर के ट्रीज, एप्रिकॉट वाले।
हाँ
यार एक से यार मैं तो
अब मेरे को ऐसी चाय पीने का मन हो रहा है बट
पर यार
अच्छा
ट्रस्ट
लगा,
मी ये
बहुत मस्त
ये
लगा।
साइड ऑफ पाकिस्तान देख के मजा आएगा। कि ऑफ कोर्स मीडिया में हमेशा नेगेटिव ही चलता है। ये पाकिस्तान के लोगों को ही पता है क्या सच है क्या झूठ है। अब ये सब आपका काम है कि हमें कमेंट्स में बताओ और कौन से वीडियोस देखें, ताकि हम भी बोलते ना पाकिस्तान का अगला साइड देखें।
यस 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 और लिंक्स भी आप डाल सकते हो कमेंट में, ताकि हमारे लिए भी
इजी हो जाए।
मजा आ गया यार,
Lovely,
बहुत
lovely.
मजा आ गया।
तो गाइस ऐसी और वीडियो सजेस्ट करते रहिए।
तब तक के लिए आप अपना ख्याल रखिए। टेक केयर,
बाय बाय।